Transferring balance from Visa gift card to Cashapp is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. You can find out the process of transferring balance from Visa gift card to Cashapp. So, first of all, open the Cashapp on your mobile device. Click on the Balance tab at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Add Cash option and enter the amount you want to transfer from the Visa gift card to your Cashapp balance. Click the Add button and select the Visa card you want to transfer money from. First of all, open the Cashapp on your mobile device and log in. Locate and click on the My Cash tab. It is often represented by a $sign. Select the option to add funds or cash. Choose the Add from PayPal option. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer from your PayPal account to your Cashapp. Confirm the transfer and wait for the transaction to complete.